Alright, George, it's game time.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna go steal my dad's car one more time. So the game plan, hoping that my mom got her key situation in order, and we're gonna take his car. You're gonna drink? We'll come back and get it.
I already drank it.
Just leave it. Let's check the mailbox first, because that's where I told her to leave the key. So hopefully she actually left it in there. Let's see if we got anything. Oh, look at that. We're good to go. Got the key.
Solid.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, push it.
I think we have to.
Is it an E brake?
I hope
or
it doesn't.
like a button thing. Oh, why got so much light?
We screwed up. Gotta hurry. Good. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta push it. Get it out of the way. Very carefully. Oh God. It's fine. We're going.
Did you eat your Wheaties?
I can't breathe, George. I'm pushing.
I'm trying.
Just keep going. Alright. I think we're good. Park. Let's go.
This did not feel smooth.
Oh, that didn't go as planned.
He's the heavy sleeper though, right?
All. I hope so. My door's not even shut.
We're like the worst.
I'm out of breath
ever.
This Mini makes way too many beeping noises when you try and steal it.
And light, dude.
And it lit up, like,
Look at that.
and I left my monster.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
I'm out of breath.
Oh, I got it last night. I thought I got it last night. Ooh, the lights are on. What is that? You left that thing in there. You left that thing.
Yeah. Listen.
Is that better?
Wow. Oh man.
Your son's been up all night.
What?
Yeah. We stole your car last night.
Yeah, and I didn't even know, but you knew.
I didn't think he got the key.
Oh yeah.
Ready to go for a drive?
Yeah.
Before you wake up all your neighbors?
Yeah. You don't want to go, Grace?
No. You guys go.
We'll be back.
Wow, man.
You didn't hear your car leave last night?
Heck no. Oh man, it sounds bad, man. Whoa. Man. Did you hear that?
Yeah, it's loud, huh?
It's bad, man.
You can hear it switch from quiet to loud when you get on it.
Yeah, it
We'll have to get your phone set up
Oh, to control it?
so we can control when it shifts.
Oh, huh? Dang, it sounds bad, man.
Cool, huh? Look what else you got back there. Your floor mats.
Oh man, oh yeah. Oh, you weren't kidding, man. Those are beautiful, man.
Nice,
wow,
huh?
man, they're cool, man.
It's hard to see.
Holy Jesus.